I just finished demolding a black concrete candle jar, cleaned up my silicone mold and my bowl, but as you can tell, these are still stained. Most of the times you could easily wash it with soap and water and sometimes rubbing alcohol, and that'll do the trick. I actually did a video that I'll pop up over here for you for your easy convenience. However, this is super black pigment that has stained my silicone mold and my bowl, and no matter how much soap and water or rubbing alcohol I use, I'm not gonna get it out. But I got a trick, and I'm gonna show you how to get those stains out. Let's go. Hi, my name is Jay Catalano. Supra black pigment is amazing, but it's messy. Look at my hands. If you can see, they're stained. They're not dirty, they're stained, as well as my silicone mold and my bowl. But I've got a trick, and we're gonna clean up our silicone mold as if it were brand spanking new. You ready to do it? All we need is a magic eraser. You don't need the whole thing. We're gonna cut off a piece, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. I cut off a little piece of the magic eraser. I'm gonna take my silicone mold, put it inside the water. I'm gonna add a little bit of soap to this because I wanna lather it up. And all I'm going to do is gently rub, gently. Notice how I said gently, it's already clean. Look at that, it's already clean. OMG, it's that easy. You just rub, 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 and it comes right off. Let's see the bowl. All right, look at my hands, right? I washed them. I tried to get this off. It doesn't come off. I take a little bit of soap and I just take a look at my silicone mold. It's practically brand new. And here is my silicone bowl. Oh, wait a minute. Let's not forget my hands. They're so clean, I can actually go into surgery right now. Don't forget to pick yourself up some magic erasers. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can pick up a bunch of those, because if you're a concrete candle jar making artist like me, you're gonna need these. And take a look at these videos that are popping up now. They're gonna help you on your concrete, hydrostone, and candle making journey. Until next time, thanks for watching. Ciao.